Welcome back to the channel of Ecoholics. So today I'm here to help you out in filling the CUET PG form for the 2024 entrance examination. So as you all know, the forms were out from 26th December 2023 till 24th January 2024. So since the last date of filling the application form is just around the corner, so I'm here to help you out so that I can tell you that what mistakes are you not required to do. Because I have been talking with a lot of students in the last few days, and all of them have made some minute mistakes while filling the form. And when you do that, the entire thing, the college you're preferring, the courses you're preferring, everything is at a stake at that time. So if you are the one who has not submitted your form yet, or even if you have submitted it, do watch the video till the end, because I will be sharing what to do and what not to do while filling the form, as well as I will tell you the new additions which are done there, and the things basically which are not required for you here, so that you can save your time while filling the form. And if you're the one who has already filled the form but have made some mistakes, I will tell you the way how you can go and rectify your form very easily. So let's just get into the video and understand the whole thing over here. Now, as we all know, CUET PG examination, CUET PG examination 2024. We all are talking about that. Now, what usually happens is that whenever these forms are out, okay, just a second. Yes. Now, whenever these forms are out, we are always in hurry to fill them up. It's always good. It is a good idea to fill those forms before the last date, well in time, so that you can avoid the last minute rush. But while doing that, you have to be very careful, and even the extra instructions are not out. So a lot of our students have filled it, on the day one, day two already. So now they are thinking that what can I do? The college was not there at that time. उस टाइम पे तो वो कॉलेज ही नहीं था. अब क्या करूं? अब तो वो कॉलेज आ गया. वो तो मेरा ड्रीम कॉलेज था. मुझे तो वहां पे जाना था. So what to do in all these situations? That's the first point here. All right. So first we will be talking about the major important, you can say the revolution by CUET PG examination is, till now there used to be two sections. First, I'm talking about these few things about the pattern, and then I will be coming to the form. I'm telling you this pattern so that now you know what you have to do in the form and what not. Section A and section B. So section A was majorly the grammar, the reasoning, analytics. So it was a very general section which comprised of 25 questions. And section B was your domain related section, which consisted of 75 questions. The biggest confusion everyone is facing, no one is clear on that. So CUET has removed, NTA has removed the section A from subject papers. So if you're the one who is sitting for economics MA entrance exam, economics, who is giving the CUET for getting entrance into Masters of Economics, section A is not a part of your paper anymore. So stop doing the practice of this. Stop preparing on this, because you're going to waste time. I told you in the beginning of the video that what you're not required to do is also something I'm going to share. So you are not required to prepare for section A. तो छोड़ दो इसको. 25 questions जो आने थे हम नहीं आएंगे. So let's just leave it. So what CUET has done is basically that they are going to test you only on section B, which is the domain related questions. So if you have filled out economics, you will be just getting the 75 questions from economics. You will be just getting 75 questions from economics. As you know, you can of course fill more than economics. Many students go for maths also, economics, English. Like if they want to diversify their masters, their chances of getting into masters, they do that usually. So that's not any harm, but section A is not a part of the subject related papers if and only if you're giving something for. So section A is now a general paper, which is a separate paper if you want to give that, but again the courses will be based on that. But for economic student, you're not required to prepare for section A now. Just 75 questions, domain related questions, questions related to economics. Now doing that have reduced the total marks of the examination from 400 to 300. Because in CUET, every question used to be of 4 marks each. So 4 marks, earlier there used to be total of 100 questions. So the total marks of the paper was 400. Now since I just have 75 questions, so 75 into 4 is 300 marks. So now 300 marks ka paper aayega sirf. So that is the biggest change here. Now doing that also, the duration of exam is also reduced. The duration of exam. Now the duration of exam is 105 minutes. That is just 105 minutes, which is basically 1 hour and 45 minutes. 1 hour and 45 minutes. Earlier, it used to be of the larger duration, since number of questions were more. 2 hours it was. Now it is only 1 hour 45 minutes. All right. The next biggest thing you need to know is that IGIDR, which used to take its separate entrance exam till last year, has been added to CUET 2024. So if you wanted to go into IGIDR, you have to crack the CUET, you have to appear the CUET examination. So if you're the one who just wanted to go into IGIDR, guys, जाओ जाकर सीयूएट का फॉर्म फिल कर दो, वेट मत करो, बिकॉज आईजीआईडीआर का एंट्रेंस यूजुअली was always earlier than the other entrance examinations. Like it was being conducted in April, days around that only. So forms are always out earlier. Now CUET is also conducted earlier this year, which will be conducted between the 11th March to 28th March. So CUET, IGIDR is now a part of CUET. So please IGIDR, all those who wanted to go there, all those who wanted to appear for this college entrance examination, you can fill it out. Now also one very other important institute, one very important place preferred by economic student is CDS, which is Center for Development Studies. That is also now a part of CUET 2024. So for this paper also, you have to fill the CUET form. So if you haven't filled the CUET form yet, you have time. Quickly go and fill it. It won't take more than 20 minutes to complete the entire form if you have all things at your hand. Right? Now what is the next thing? If you are the one who has already filled the form, IGIDR started coming late, like in the options, we observe this thing that for form bharte hue, the IGIDR and these things started coming late into the drop down box while selecting your preference. Now if you're the one who have already filled this, now what can you do? So I will tell you for that as well. You can fill the IGIDR again if you have even filled your CUET exam. I will tell you that way also. Also, along with that, Gokhale Institute, okay? So Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics is also going to conduct their entrance through the CUET examination. So Gokhale basically offers MA Economics as well as MSc Economics. Now I want to clarify here that both of the courses, if you want to enroll for any of the course or both of the courses, then again both of the courses are going to be tested through CUET 2024 examination. So please be very careful while filling Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics. You choose MA Economics and MSc Economics, whatever is your preference, or if you prefer both, you choose both of them. And you don't leave out one of them if you wanted both. So it's not that if you will fill Gokhale, both will be added to your candidature form. No, you have to fill them separately. Separately fill करना है. MA Economics भी fill करना है गोखले का, MSc Economics भी fill करना है गोखले का. So Gokhale is also a new institute which has started coming under the CUET examination. All right. Now, earlier than this, the other universities which are already a part, or the other prominent universities which students want to go to, तो वो कौन सी हैं which are coming under the CUET exam? The first we have discussed already, IGIDR. Second, CDS. Third, we have Gokhale right now. The fourth is JNU. So JNU has again two schools for offering the economics. The Triple S and SIS both are coming under that. Then we have Banaras Hindu University. Then we have Delhi School of Economics, which is DSE. Then after that, the seventh number here is we have Delhi Technical University, which is the DTU. Then we have University of Hyderabad. That is also a part of the CUET program already. Ninth one is the Pondicherry University. There are many state universities although and central universities which are part, not only these universities, but there are already a lot of central universities and state universities a part of this. I'm just naming few of them which everyone has a confusion whether they will be a part of CUET or not. Then there is one more university which is the BR Ambedkar University. Okay, so all these are going to come under CUET. So if you are willing to go into any of these, just fill out the form of CUET and please 24th January 11 से पहले कोशिश करो भर दो, because then the portal gets very busy and you're not able to submit it, तो बहुत problem हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ गुड आइडिया टू फिल इट. तो जैसे ही वीडियो देख रहे हो, अगर फॉर्म इफ फॉर्म में एक भी चीज रह गई है या पेमेंट करना रह गया है तो गो एंड क्विकली डू दैट. बाकी सब काम बाद में, फॉर्म को भर दो, बिकॉज द मेजर कॉलेजेस और मेजर यूनिवर्सिटीज वे यू वांटेड टू गो आर ऑलरेडी अ पार्ट ऑफ CUET. तो फॉर्म नहीं भरा तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी बहुत ज्यादा. Okay, so what we have observed is total number of questions have reduced from 100 to 75. Total timings have reduced from 2 hours to 1 hour 45 minutes. And the section A has been totally removed from here. Okay, now coming to the point that if you have already filled the application form, kya kare? So if you have already filled that, CUET is going to open their correction window from 27th January to 29th January. Okay, they are going to open the correction window. तो quickly, जैसे ही 27 January हुआ, correction window के through, go on to the website, log on to your application form and quickly add IGIDR, CDS or Gokhale if you haven't. And even if you had made other mistakes, maybe while filling the already colleges you have filled in your form, तो वो भी जाके quickly correction window के ऊपर correct कर लेना. Don't wait till 29th. We students have a tendency कि 29 तक रुके रहेंगे, 29th को लास्ट डेट पे याद आएगा कि फॉर्म फिल करना है. There is no guarantee. सर्वर डाउन हो जाता है बहुत बार वेबसाइट का. So in that case, you might lose out the chance to add IGIDR, Google, CDS या कुछ भी. Okay, so don't do that. Also, application form तभी accept होगा if you will fill the fees also. तो form भरने के बाद you have to submit your fees. अपना फिर acknowledgement slip download कर लेना, application form download कर लेना. These are very important things. Future में कुछ भी problem हो तो you have a proof that okay, you have filled the application form. What were the responses you have filled? Application form download करना is very necessary, and even the acknowledgement slip for paying the fees. All right. So now here I have helped you with what to do and what not to do and how you can make the corrections. Also, if there are any other questions related to form filling, if you're struggling somewhere, feel free to contact us. We can help you there. Now, one more piece of advice I would like to give you is that please go through this PDF, which is issued by NTA for CUET PG examination. Do read this very well if you haven't filled the form yet. So this discloses everything about the examination. So as you can see here, it is general participating universities. You can check on this link here. They have even given the deadline, the starting of the form, which is 26th December to 24th January up to 11:50 p.m. Be very cautious up to 11:50 p.m. प्लीज ध्यान से फिल कर देना, बाद में रिग्रेट होगा, इसलिए पहले ही कर देना फॉर्म फिल. ठीक है. उसके बाद पेमेंट जो है 25 जनवरी 11:50 तक पे कर सकते हो. कि फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से 24 को फॉर्म तो फिल कर दिया बट पेमेंट नहीं हो पाई, मे बी ड्यू टू various reasons that your net banking was not working, UPI was not working. You can do that till 25th January as well, but I will recommend you to do that on 24th itself. Don't take risk. Now, what programs are offered in these universities? So whatever are the participating universities, their eligibility criteria, fee structure, everything is given on this link. Please check the eligibility criteria very seriously. Take it very seriously. Okay, every college have their own eligibility criteria. Make this note, ये जरूरी नहीं है that if at one place maths is not important तो दूसरी जगह पे भी नहीं होगा. You just have to go and check it. Okay. As you can see here, an applicant can apply for 2 test papers, and if they want to apply further the 2 test paper, they have to just do that at an additional fees. So maximum of 4 paper can be given. So you can maybe, for example, you can give CUET economics, CUET English, CUET maths, CUET stats. That's the thing. As you all know, paper is a CBT test, computer based test. You all must be knowing that, and this is the scheme of the examination and the other examination syllabus, dates. Okay, so everything is given here. Please go through this PDF once and do not skip the minute details it offers. Otherwise, बाद में कुछ गलती कर दोगे तो बाद में फिर दिक्कत आएगी. FAQs are given, everything is given. So just go through it once. All right. So I'm repeating it again. If you face any issues while filling your CUET form, please feel free to contact us. All right. So all the best for your coming examination, and fill your form very carefully. Do not make silly mistakes while filling your form. That's the most important thing. And focus well on your preparation. Now I will see you in another video. Bye everyone.